Hi, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads with a fun alternative for the Sending Good Thoughts paper pumpkin kit. Keep watching for the surprise on the inside. I'm adding Pacific Point ink to a piece of basic white cardstock 3 1/4 inches by 5 1/2 inches in a circular motion with a blending brush. Next, I'm using the Splatters 3D embossing folder with the logo side up to add raised bubbles to the inked side of the cardstock. Stamp multiples of the seaweed images and sand images in Pacific Point ink right over the embossed surface. I used basic gray ink for my message in a bottle. And again for my sentiment, wishing you all the best. Back to Pacific Point for my starfish. I didn't want a Poppy Parade seahorse, so I flipped the image over and used fresh freesia ink with the blending brush. Last but not least, I'm inking up some small seahorses with Poppy Parade and Bermuda Bay ink. Fussy cutting tip, move the paper, not the paper snips. For the fun surprise inside my card, I cut the pop-up mechanism 1 inch by 5 1/4 inches. Score the short edge at 3/8 inches. Score the long edge at 2 5/8 inches. Fold in half and snip from the 3/8 inch score line at an angle. With all the prep done, it's time to put this card together. Add dimensionals to the underwater piece and center on the front of the card. Add glue dots from the kit to the back of the Poppy Parade coral and adhere on top. Drop of multi-purpose glue on the back of the starfish. I cut up several dimensionals to fit on the back of the seahorse. Open the card base. Fold all the score lines on the mechanism. Add double-sided sticky tape to the 3/8 inch tabs as shown. Remove the backings and fold the mechanism in half. Line up the angled cut with the score line in the center of the card. Press down lightly to adhere and then close the front flap. To adhere the Pacific Point fresh freesia coral, position the coral on the left raised edge. Then lay the coral face down and add tiny dots of multi-purpose glue to the lower portion. Press the raised edge down gently and close the card. Wipe off any excess glue. Add glue dots to the back of the bottle. I'm using my Take Your Pick tool for this. You can also use the tip of your paper snips as I did earlier. Adhere the bottle at an angle on top of the coral. Add glue dots to the bottom section of the greeting and adhere it to the right side of the mechanism. Add a glue dot to the back of each fussy cut seahorse and adhere it to the sentiment and the coral. Carefully close the card to make sure the mechanism works and doesn't catch. Now it should open and close easily. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. You can find written instructions for this card at... Please hit that subscribe button to be notified of more of my videos. Thanks for watching!